Hello everyone and welcome to ByteWise, your ultimate destination for all things tech. I'm your host, Promise Makako, and today we're talking about something that many of us use every single day, sometimes without even realizing it: Fintech. Have you ever sent money through Airtel Money, checked your bank balance on your phone, paid for something online, or received money from a relative living abroad? If the answer is yes, then you've already used Fintech. But what exactly is Fintech, and why is it changing the way we manage money? Let's find out. Fintech is a short way of saying financial technology. It simply means using technology to make financial services easier, faster, and more convenient. Think about how things worked years ago. If you wanted to check your account balance, transfer money, or apply for a loan, you would probably need to visit a bank branch, stand in a queue, and fill out paperwork. Today, you can do all of that from your smartphone while sitting at home or even while waiting for transport. That's the power of Fintech. Whenever people hear the word Fintech, many immediately think of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But here's something that might surprise you. Most Fintech services don't actually use blockchain at all. Instead, they rely on technologies such as APIs, which allow different apps and systems to communicate with each other. They use cloud computing to store information securely online. They also use artificial intelligence to power chatbots, detect fraud, and help companies make smarter decisions. Blockchain is important, but it is only one piece of a much bigger fintech ecosystem. So where do we see fintech in everyday life? The answer is simple: almost everywhere. Fintech powers online banking, mobile money services, digital payments, insurance services, loans, mortgages, and investment platforms. In fact, chances are you've interacted with fintech before finishing your morning tea. Let's take a look at the 5 major areas of fintech. First is digital banks. Imagine a bank with no physical branches. Everything happens online, from opening an account to transferring money. A good example is Varo, which operates entirely through digital channels. Second, digital payments. This is probably the fintech service most people use every day. Whether you're buying groceries, paying for Netflix, shopping online, or receiving your salary, digital payment systems make transactions quick and seamless. No cash, no long queues, just a few taps on your phone. Personal finance apps. These apps help people track spending, save money, and plan for future goals. Apps like Dave and Wealth Simple are designed to help users take control of their finances. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket. Fourth, investing platforms. Investing used to feel like something only wealthy people could do. Today, fintech has made investing much more accessible. Apps such as Robinhood allow people to buy and sell stocks directly from their smartphones. And fifth, digital lending. Need a loan? Instead of spending days visiting different offices, fintech platforms allow people to apply and receive decisions much faster. A popular example is Rocket Mortgage. So what makes all of this possible? Artificial intelligence helps companies provide customer support, detect suspicious activity, and assess loan applications. Blockchain creates secure digital records and is widely used in cryptocurrency systems. Open banking and APIs allow approved apps to securely connect with financial accounts, making it easier for people to manage everything in one place. Now let's bring the conversation closer to home. Fintech is growing rapidly in Malawi, helping millions of people access financial services that were previously out of reach. This is especially important in rural areas, where traditional banking services can be difficult to access. Mobile money is leading the revolution. If there's one fintech innovation that has transformed Malawi, it's mobile money. Services such as Mpamba and Airtel Money have changed how people send, receive, save, and spend money. Today, many Malawians can manage their finances without ever stepping into a bank. That is a remarkable shift. Mobile money may be the biggest story, but it is not the only one. PayChangu helps businesses accept payments from multiple channels in one place. Companies like PowerPay and Mukuru make it easier to send and receive money across borders. Meanwhile, MFI Hub is helping savings groups and cooperatives embrace digital tools. The numbers tell an incredible story. According to the 2023 FinScope survey, about 88% of Malawian adults now use some form of financial service. Even more impressive, formal financial inclusion has grown from just 34% in 2014 to 74% today. Mobile money usage has also increased dramatically, from 18% to 73% during the same period. These are more than just numbers. They represent millions of people gaining access to opportunities that can improve their lives. The Reserve Bank of Malawi is working to support innovation while protecting customers. New regulations introduced in 2025 focus on licensing digital banks, protecting customer data, preventing fraud, and strengthening cybersecurity. The goal is simple: encourage innovation while ensuring financial system remains safe and trustworthy. Of course, fintech still faces challenges. Some rural communities continue to struggle with poor network coverage and unreliable electricity. Digital literacy remains a concern as many people are still learning how to use financial technology safely. Transaction fees can be expensive for low-income users. Concerns about scams and fraud can also affect public trust. And there's a growing need for more software developers, engineers, and technology professionals to help build Malawi's digital future. Fintech is much more than a tech buzzword. It is changing the way we interact with money each and every day. Whether it is sending money through mobile money, paying for goods online, saving for the future, investing, or applying for a loan from your phone, Fintech is making financial services more accessible than ever before. And here in Malawi, the fintech journey is only just beginning. That's all for today's episode on ByteWise. If you learned something new today, be sure to share this episode with a friend, subscribe, and follow us for more conversations about the technologies shaping our future. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the digital world with ByteWise.